2025 Genesis G70. With less than 11,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It brings drivers and passengers many levels of convenience with its cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.